Imagine waking up to the sound of wind moving through tall pine trees. You open your eyes, stretch your arms, and look out a wide panoramic window. Outside, the road is quiet, the sun is slowly rising, and for a moment, everything feels calm and peaceful. Then it hits you: this isn't a hotel room. This is your home on wheels. A place where every morning looks different, but somehow feels familiar. Now imagine that home was built by GMC, a brand known for strength, reliability, and confidence on the road. And imagine that even in 2015, this motorhome still makes people stop, stare, and ask one simple question: wait, GMC made this? Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2015 GMC Motorhome, a classic-inspired RV that still shocks everyone who sees it. Not because it's flashy, not because it's loud, but because it was truly ahead of its time. So sit back, relax, and imagine the open road, because this motorhome is not just about travel, it's about a lifestyle. From the outside, the 2015 GMC Motorhome carries a clean and confident design. It doesn't scream for attention, but it naturally draws your eyes toward it. The body lines are smooth and purposeful, giving it a strong but calm presence. Unlike many tall and bulky RVs, this one sits lower to the ground, giving it a more balanced, car-like stance. And that lower profile isn't just about looks. It improves stability, handling, and overall road control, something GMC quietly mastered with this design. The paint finish feels premium, the chrome details are subtle and tasteful, and the large windows wrap around the body, hinting at the bright and open space waiting inside. When this motorhome pulls into a campground or a rest stop, people notice it, not because it's oversized, but because it looks different, refined, and well thought out. Step inside, and the driver's area immediately feels familiar and comfortable. This doesn't feel like sitting behind the wheel of a bus. It feels like driving a properly engineered vehicle. The steering wheel fits naturally in your hands, the dashboard layout is clean and logical, and every control feels right where it should be. Visibility is excellent thanks to the wide windshield and large mirrors, giving you confidence whether you're cruising down the highway or maneuvering through tight spaces. On the road, the GMC powertrain delivers smooth and steady performance. It's not about speed or aggression, it's about confidence and control. Long drives feel relaxed, road noise is well managed, and bumps are absorbed comfortably. This is the kind of motorhome that makes you enjoy the journey just as much as the destination. As you move into the living area, this is where the 2015 GMC Motorhome truly surprises people. The layout feels open, smart, and welcoming. You don't feel boxed in, and you don't feel cramped. The seating area is soft and comfortable, perfect for relaxing after a long drive or simply enjoying the view through those wide windows. During the day, natural light fills the space beautifully, and at night, soft lighting creates a warm and calming atmosphere. Everything inside feels intentional. Storage is cleverly integrated, easy to access, and never intrusive. Nothing feels wasted, and nothing feels overcrowded. This space doesn't feel like a temporary shelter. It genuinely feels like a living room on wheels. The kitchen continues that same thoughtful design. It's simple, practical, and made for real use. You have a solid countertop, a dependable stove, a microwave, and a refrigerator that can actually hold enough food for extended trips. The cabinets feel sturdy and well built, not flimsy or cheap. Cooking here feels natural, whether it's making your morning coffee or preparing a late dinner after a full day on the road. Everything is within easy reach, designed for people who truly live on the road, not just occasional weekend campers. The dining area might look simple, but this is where some of the best moments happen. Morning breakfasts, quiet evening conversations, planning tomorrow's route, or just sitting together and enjoying the moment. The table is perfectly sized, the seating is comfortable, and the lighting adds to the cozy atmosphere. It's not luxury made to impress, it's comfort made for real life. When it's time to rest, the bedroom offers a calm and peaceful retreat. The bed provides good support, the space around it allows easy movement, and storage for clothes and personal items is thoughtfully placed. The lighting is soft and relaxing, helping you wind down after a long day. You don't feel like you're sleeping inside a vehicle. It feels more like a private escape, welcoming you back after hours of driving and exploring. The bathroom is compact but very well designed. You get a proper shower, a clean sink, and a solid toilet. Ventilation is good, materials are easy to clean, and everything feels practical and reliable. There's no wasted space here, just exactly what you need, done the right way. So why does the 2015 GMC Motorhome still shock people today? Because it doesn't chase trends. It doesn't rely on flashy screens or unnecessary gimmicks. Instead, it focuses on smart engineering, real comfort, and timeless design. Many modern RVs feel overcomplicated, but this one feels balanced and purposeful. It's proof that when something is designed well, it doesn't age quickly. Compared to many RVs from the same era, this GMC Motorhome drives better, feels more stable, and looks more refined. It feels more automotive and less commercial. GMC's engineering background is obvious throughout the entire experience. This isn't an RV company trying to build a vehicle. This is a vehicle company building an RV, and that makes a big difference. Now I want to hear from you. Would you take the 2015 GMC Motorhome on a cross-country road trip, or would you park it near a lake and stay for weeks? Let me know in the comments where you take this motorhome first. In the end, the 2015 GMC Motorhome isn't about showing off luxury. It's about freedom, comfort, and confidence on the road. It reminds us that great design doesn't need to be loud to be powerful. And that's exactly why it still shocks people today. If you enjoyed this kind of deep dive into classic motorhomes and road trip lifestyles, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more automotive and lifestyle reviews, and drop a comment sharing your favorite part of this GMC Motorhome. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the road.